So, today what you're going to be doing is you're going to be opening up this Google Doc, and once you get the Google Doc opened, you're going to start with, as normal, the vocabulary activity, which is a dictionary detective. Now, this dictionary detective is a little bit longer than normal, just because I know you guys will have a little bit more time, and so some of these words are words that you have already read in Chapter 8, so you guys get to get a little bit more glance in, and some of these are words you are going to hear in Chapter 9. So I'm going to do this one with you just because I think that this first word is the most difficult word. So you click the word and it gives you the definition. So these are some definitions. We're going to use the first one. Keen being intellectually alert, having a characteristic of a quick penetrating mind. So let's take this and then we're going to go back to the Google Doc and you can just put that there. So that's what our definition is. And then once you have the definition, you're going to go down and you're going to find what picture it goes with. So being intellectually alert. So being very, very, very smart is what keen means. So being very, very, very smart is this one right here. And so I'm going to write the word keen right next to it. So with these words here, consensus, abrasion, righteously, paupers, intrigued, and caper, these 6 words relate with these 6 pictures, so you're going to find what the definition is, put that in, and then put the pictures with it below. Once you have finished the dictionary detective, you can see that there's a Google form activity, so you're going to press the Google form activity and fill this out. Remember, once again, same as last week, this Google form is, you can feel free to talk about the answers together, but you need to send in your own response. So I was able to see those last time, and I fixed the formatting beforehand, so you should be able to open it up right away. Once you're finished, you're going to read Chapter 9A. So Chapter 9 is about 30 pages, so I've split it up into 2 different parts for you. Just remember, so there's the link there. Just remember that as you are listening to it, you are going to prepare 1 question about this reading for Wednesday's discussion. So normally we do dice discussions or I just ask you questions. This next week you guys are going to be kind of leading the discussion, and so you are each going to prepare 1 question to ask everybody else. So, for the homework, there is no reading homework. You do not have to finish Chapter 9. It is very, very long. So we'll read the rest of Chapter 9 on Wednesday, but just make sure you have your question prepared to help lead the discussion tomorrow. So that is what you're going to be doing, and that should take up your whole time. And I look forward to hearing about how you liked the chapter, because this chapter is where it gets pretty funky.